Ready to ditch those sidebars and truly dive into your favorite YouTube videos. You're watching a fantastic YouTube video, but you're noticing all these extra bits around the edges. Why? Perhaps comments, suggested videos, or just a bit of unoccupied screen space to really immerse yourself in the content. You'll want to go full screen. It's incredibly simple and takes just a single click. First, locate the video player on your screen. You'll see a set of controls at the bottom of the video itself. Look for a small icon in the very bottom right corner of this control bar. It usually looks like a simple square, sometimes with arrows pointing outwards from the corners. This is the full screen button. Now, simply move your mouse cursor over that little square icon and give it a click. Watch as the video instantly expands. It will now fill your entire monitor, from edge to edge. This dramatically enhances your viewing experience, letting you focus solely on the video without any distractions. This is perfect for watching movies, documentaries, tutorials where you need to see every detail, or just when you want to lose yourself in a video. You'll be completely surrounded by the content, giving you a much more engaging and cinematic feel. To exit full screen mode and return to the normal viewing window, you have a couple of easy options. Your mouse cursor will appear. If you move it to the bottom of the screen, you'll see the full screen icon again, but now it often looks like the same square but with arrows pointing inwards, indicating you are exiting full screen. Clicking this icon again will snap the video right back to its original size, allowing you to access YouTube's other features once more. Alternatively, a much quicker way to exit is by simply pressing the S key on your keyboard. Give that a try. And that's it. Going full screen on YouTube is a fundamental step to maximizing your viewing pleasure. Remember, just one click on the bottom right icon, or a quick press of the S key, and you'll be fully immersed or back to your browsing in no time. Enjoy your expanded viewing.